Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak English Like Me, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Isa.
And I'm James. It's great to be here again.
Hello, James. How was your weekend?
It was fantastic, Isa. Very relaxing. And yours?
Mine was wonderful, too. I'm excited because today's topic is perfect for practicing more everyday English.
Oh, really? What are we talking about today?
Today, we're going to talk about our weekends.
That's a brilliant topic. Everyone loves talking about their weekend.
Exactly. But before we dive in, everyone, please remember to subscribe to our channel.
Yes, and hit that like button and please share this video with your friends and family. It helps us a lot.
So, James, are you ready to share your weekend activities?
I am ready. I think it's a great way to practice past tense verbs and future plans.
It definitely is. Talking about your weekend is a common way to start conversations and share experiences.
It's true, and it helps us learn many new verbs and expressions related to free time.
Yes, so today we will make it easy and fun to talk about your weekend.
That sounds perfect. So, Isa, how about you start? Tell me about your last weekend.
Okay, my turn first. Last Saturday, I woke up a bit later than usual, around 8 a.m. It was lovely. What about you, James? What did you do on Saturday?
Last Saturday, I went hiking with my friends in the morning. We explored a new trail. It was a beautiful day.
That sounds like fun. Did you see any interesting animals or plants?
Yes, we saw some deer and a few colorful birds. The views from the top of the mountain were amazing. What did you do after waking up, Isa?
After I woke up, I had a big breakfast with pancakes and fresh fruit. Then I went to a local market to buy some fresh vegetables and flowers. It was very lively.
Oh, I love local markets. Did you cook anything special with your new vegetables?
Yes, I made a delicious vegetable lasagna for lunch. In the afternoon, I read a book in my garden and listened to music. It was very relaxing. What about your afternoon, James?
After hiking, we had a picnic lunch by a lake. Then in the afternoon, I played video games with my friends online. We played for a few hours. It was a lot of fun.
Sounds like a perfect Saturday. What about Saturday evening? Did you go out?
No, I stayed home. My family and I watched a movie together. It was a comedy. Very funny. What about your Saturday evening, Isa?
I went to a friend's birthday party. We danced, talked, and ate a lot of cake. It was a great night.
That sounds exciting. So, what about Sunday? What did you do on Sunday, Isa?
On Sunday morning, I went for a long walk in the park with my cat Cleo. She loves exploring. Then I had brunch with my family. In the afternoon, I prepared my lessons for the week. It was a productive day. What about your Sunday, James?
On Sunday, I slept in until 9 a.m. Then I had a late breakfast. In the afternoon, I visited my sister Sarah. We played guitar together and drew some digital art. It was very creative.
That's wonderful. So you both have creative hobbies. Did you do anything special on Sunday evening?
Yes, my sister and I cooked dinner together. We made homemade pizza. It was delicious. Then I relaxed and got ready for the new week. What about your Sunday evening, Isa?
I had a quiet evening at home. I watched a documentary and planned my schedule for the upcoming week. I also called my parents to chat. It was a peaceful end to the weekend.
It sounds like you had a very balanced weekend, Isa. Fun and relaxing.
Absolutely. And you too, James. Hiking, gaming, family time, a great mix.
This is great. We've covered a lot about our weekend activities.
I know, it's like we're describing a whole weekend in English right now.
Yes, we are. And it's very helpful for our listeners to hear different activities.
So, James, we talked about what we did last weekend and what we usually do. What are some key phrases or tips for our listeners when talking about their weekend?
A good tip is to use past tense verbs for things you did, like I went, I had, I watched, I played.
Excellent point. And for future plans, you can use I will or I'm going to, like I'm going to visit my friends or I will relax.
Yes, those are very important. Also, remember to use time expressions like last weekend, on Saturday or Sunday, in the morning, afternoon, or evening, and next weekend.
Exactly. And don't forget vocab for common weekend activities like go hiking, read a book, watch a movie, play video games, visit friends or family, cook dinner, relax.
That's a great list, Isa. It's good to have a variety of verbs and expressions.
So, describing your weekend is about sharing your experiences and plans using the correct tenses and vocabulary.
Perfect. It's simple, it's clear, and it's very practical for everyday English conversations.
I think we've given our listeners a very good foundation for talking about their free time.
I think it's been very nice to share our weekend stories with you, Isa.
Me too, James. I learned you love hiking and gaming, and you had a creative Sunday with your sister.
And I learned you enjoy quiet mornings, local markets, and friends' parties on your weekends.
It was a very enjoyable conversation.
Yes, and I hope it was helpful for all of our listeners.
I hope so too. Remember, you can use these simple sentences to talk about your own weekend.
Yes, don't be afraid to practice. Share your past weekend or your upcoming plans. That's the most important part.
That is the perfect advice. Sharing your experiences makes conversations interesting.
Always.
Well, I think our time is almost up for today.
Wow, time goes faster when you're having fun.
It really does. This was a great chat.
It was. So before we go, we want to ask our amazing listeners for a little favor.
That's right. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to our channel, Speak English Like Me.
And give this episode a big thumbs up, a like. Really helps people find our video.
And please, please share it with anyone who is learning English. We want to help as many people as we can.
And for our question of the day, we want you to practice.
Yes, go to the comments section below and tell us about your weekend. You can write a few sentences about what you did last weekend or what you plan to do next weekend. For example, last weekend I went to the beach.
We would love to read your comments and learn a little bit about your free time.
Yes, it'll be so much fun.
Thank you all for listening today.
Thank you all. It was a pleasure. Stay safe and keep practicing.
We will be back soon with another fun episode. Goodbye for now.
Bye, everyone. Bye, James.